Peace rally is organized under the aegis of the Women's Commission of the Diocese of Agartala, inviting all the goodwill citizens of this capital city to join us to protest against the violence that is ongoing for nearly 3 months in the state of Manipur. Communities fighting, violence being unleashed on innocent citizens, and also atrocities being committed against women. We consider these are unworthy of any civilized society, and therefore we have come out in numbers to silently register our protest and to seek for an end to this violence that is ongoing in the state, in the neighboring state of Manipur. We also appeal to the government authorities to ensure that this violence is brought to an end as early as possible. We have been seeing, we have been witnessing, we have been hearing deplorable stories of how innocent lives are being affected, how families and communities are being shattered, and this is something which we can see and keep quiet about. Therefore, we have come out into the public today to register our protest and also to demand that this stop, because this is a country where every human being has the right to exist. This is a country that is characterized by its diversity in all aspects, in cultures, in religions, in castes, in tribe, and therefore everyone has an equal right to live as equal citizens in this country. We firmly believe in this, and therefore today's program, this candlelit silent march, is a symbolic action that we have taken under the aegis of the Diocese of Agartala, and particularly the Women's Commission of the Diocese of Agartala. We thank all those who have come out in large numbers today to be part of this program. Thank you very much.
How many organizations there today?
Commission of the Diocese of Agartala, and as we have seen, many organizations and peoples and individuals and institutions have come out today. Schools, colleges, education institutions, they have come out irrespective of religion, irrespective of culture, caste, creed. They have come out today to support this good cause, and this is something that shows to us deep within all of us. There is a desire and an urging for peace, for harmony, for coexistence, and that is what we uphold, that is what we all want. There are people here who belong to various religions, there are people who belong to various cultures, and we have not put any restrictions or on the basis of any criteria. This is a program that is open to everyone, and participation proves that. I am Father Joseph Pulindana, the spokesperson for the Diocese of Agartala. Ganani Hastini, Manipur Hasteo, Asuk violence Tuli Tamani, Asuk Derarani Tuli Tamani, Dofa by Dofa, Nanglaimani, violence Kaimani, Abano Gosiabu, finishing Abano Pochiba, Trailani protest Krainan Bagi, Ching Diocese of Agartala Uwe, or a Sofaika, Diocese of Agartala Biri Commission, Women's Commission ni Ring Jakma Bai, Borok ni Kobok Mabai, Agartala Sound Migota Borok ni or Sofaika or Kimbotok or Rally Kraina Bagi, Ching Mabai, Ching Sana Musingo, Ching Saklaina Musingo, Belai Ka, Tabok Omarok no, Batagna Nango, Abani Bagi, Ching government authorities no, Borok Noringo, Pojao, Omano, Stop Kairi, Tami Himbajota, Borok ni Bukha Bisingo. Kusang ke tongnani koroksa bai katalai peacefully tongnani bagi borokli buchima tomano abono chimbo support trayo chini society o dopa asu bulai mung doklai mung choli tongmani abo chaya tamni himba majra kurei borok innocent borok asu satok jagi tongo abono prajibat kaine bagi tini ni o pandalo sambai